HOA is starting to get on the Watermaster's nerves.
Well, that didn't take long at all. The Watermaster already gave me my first official big job to broker. The HOA has recently got after the Watermaster because his ditch is overgrown with weeds and grass. But that's normal. And that's all the maintenance the Watermaster really needs to do, is just like it is right here. However, the HOA, they don't like the way the Watermaster maintains his ditch edge. They want a nice grassy area that gently slopes into the canal. And they want all these weeds cut out, and they want grass planted, and that's just not gonna happen. As the Watermaster's apprentice, he assigned this to me. He wants me to broker a deal between the water company and the HOA. So he's gonna allow the HOA to maintain it a little bit better, make it pretty, but he doesn't want it to cost the ditch company or the farmers a penny. So anything they do to it, it'll have to come out of their pocket. I've already had a meeting with the HOA over the phone, and we're setting up a canal walk next week. And that's where we're gonna discuss what we will let them do, and we're gonna make it very explicitly clear that it's not gonna cost the company, the canal company, or the farmers a dime. The Watermaster doesn't know it yet, but he just turned the water over to me at my favorite time of the day. You see, I like to water at night because there's less nosy neighbors keeping an eye on my water usage, including the Watermaster and the HOA. And right now we've got plenty of water. I think I'm only gonna need like 3 or 4 boards. I'm definitely gonna have to keep a close eye on this because we've got way more water than what we've been getting lately. My ditch is already a little bit wet, but I haven't snuck the water lately. I wonder if somebody else opened my head gate, because typically that is dry. At least this portion of my ditch is dry, so the water that was in my ditch didn't make it very far down.